my 25 facts about me video. I hope you enjoy. Please give it a like. I have 2 siblings, a brother and a sister. I have a pet turtle. His name is Otis. I got him for my birthday last year. As you can probably tell, I have never ever dyed my hair. One of my biggest fears is birds. I get really freaked out by them, just flying and swooping and yeah, altogether no. If food falls off my plate, I cannot eat it. Even if it falls onto my placemat, nah, nowhere near eating it. Can't even touch it really. It's just one thing that I get so freaked out by. I know this might be strange, but I don't have a favourite TV show or movie. I hate coconut, pumpkin, cooked mushrooms, barbecue sauce. I'm actually a pretty picky eater. Heat'd rather be really hot than cold. If I try and sleep when I'm cold, there's no going back to sleep. I can't even warm up and then go to sleep. It's just, if I'm awake, I'm awake. Favorite food are these ice cream sandwiches. My favorite subject at school is history. Now, you either like it or you think it's really boring. Now, I really like it and I'm going to do it all the way through to year 12. I like the New Zealand artist Lorde. Her music's really nice and yeah, I have like her album and yeah, I really like it. Love to meet her one day. Never seen her in concert or anything before. People ask me all the time, are you related to Harry Potter? No, I'm not related to Harry Potter, but I really do think it would be cool to like be a wizard and stuff. Yeah, I'd like it. I have braces, which make me spit a lot. It's really gross and sometimes puts me in some pretty awkward situations, but yeah, I only got a month ago, so got them for another 2 years. When I really like a song, I will play it until I hate it. 3 days straight and not get sick of it until one time I get sick of it and cannot listen to the song again. Even if it comes on the radio, I just have to switch stations. My favourite number is 24 and my favourite times table is 6 times 4, which coincidentally equals 24. I love the feeling of fresh linen, like changing my bed sheets. I like to do that as often as possible because it makes me feel really good. I am not a morning person. Like, I can wake up in the morning early. I would 10 times prefer to wake up at 10 o'clock. It's not gloomy, it's just perfect. I love candles, but hate really strongly scented ones because I like sneeze. Like, especially orange. I sneeze if I light an orange candle. Just smell of orange like makes me sneeze. My favourite cereal is Froot Loops. Massive fear of dogs. Even though we have our own dog, I'm still pretty scared of it. If I see a dog walking on the footpath, I get so freaked out I have to actually cross the road. One day I saw this little tiny dog, it may have been that big. My dad actually had to carry me on the bench because I was so freaked out by it. Couldn't have even bit me. It would have been like a little ant bite, but no, it's just little, oh no, I have massive fear of dogs. I used to sell lemonade at the front. I did it quite often when I was a little kid, but because I do it with my sister, we'd only earn like 50 cents each because then we'd have to like divide it between the 2 of us. I have never bawled my eyes out or even teared up at a movie. My friends think that I'm unemotional. When I'm older, I would love to travel to Europe. Go all around Europe, to France, England, anywhere. See all the sights. I think it would be excellent. It would be my dream come true. Once I get to 15 subscribers, I will do a blind smoothie video. I hope you enjoyed my 25 facts about me video. And I'm sorry it came out later than expected, but I ran into some problems. So thank you for watching.